What is up, guys? So the 1100's been sitting in my backyard for probably like 3 or 4 months since that last video of me getting it running. I decided to just throw the motor on Craigslist for $1,000 and see if we could sell it. And a guy hit me up, super interested in the whole ski. So I lugged it out of my backyard, got it on the trailer, and we're gonna get this thing water tested. I haven't actually got it on the water since I installed those taperboard carbs, but it sounded completely different. It sounded like a complete monster compared to what it did with the CV carbs. So we're gonna take it out today, put it on the water, and make sure this thing's good to go before we sell it. I'm gonna try out the superview on my GoPro, so let me know what you guys think of that view compared to the wide view. Let's get it. All right, guys, I'm gonna talk and drive a little bit. So we're on the way to the lake. I haven't really uploaded in like over a month. I've tried to record a few videos and they just, I don't know, they just haven't come out as well as I wanted them to. I recorded a blaster video using the R-Ski nozzle. That's gonna come out eventually. But my GoPro broke literally as I was backing the ski into the ramp. It fell out of the car, went on the ground, and shattered the lens. So I just got the new lens in. That's why we're taking the ski out today. I was planning on using the 1100 ZXi as like a donor ski for the blaster, the SXR, whenever either of the motors blew up. But I don't know, I just love the stock reliability of the SXR 800, so I want to leave that stock. And then my blaster, it just handles so well with the 760. So honestly, if that ever does blow up, which I do think that that motor is like on its way out, when it does blow out, I think that I'll just rebuild it, honestly, because the power plant's good. It's got the factory pipe, you know, so there's no point in selling all of that stuff, the 760, 88 head, factory B pipe, or factory pipe, just to go to an 1100, which is going to be similar power. I mean, I just really wanted that scream that the Kawasaki 1100 has. So yeah, I just figured I'd sell it, threw it on Craigslist for $1,000 just to see what happens. I don't know what we agreed on price-wise yet, but I'm throwing in a trailer as well, so it's a pretty good deal. The only issue is it doesn't have a title. I'm just making sure the ski's 100% before I actually do sell it to them, so let's check it out. All right, we're at the spot. Nice and glassy. Yeah, let's back her in the water, take the straps off, see how she does. Alright guys, this is superview. I think it needs to go up a little. We'll try this. Because I always feel like my videos are either too high or too low, and that's using wide. Because I want to be able to see like in front of me and like the handlebars as well. So let's see how it looks. Hopefully I don't break down. That would be terrible. Make sure the ski's not taking on any water before I go out there. There's a little in there, but it was just sitting in my backyard. Okay, I think we're good. idle's a little high. See how everything looks inside. It's really odd. Oh. Well, that explains why it's fallen on its face. How is it? Oh, what the heck? I don't think that's a good sign. Oh. Okay. Well, that's definitely not gonna work. Where's that cap at? It's all milky in the pulse line. Okay, I guess we gotta find that cap. I don't know if you can see on the GoPro, but the cap right there on the head pipe came off. So I'm assuming that that's just spraying water everywhere. That's why it's falling on its face. So hopefully we find that cap, put it on there, put a hose clamp on there, and it's good to go. All right, guys, got the thing on. I flushed it, so rookie mistake. I flushed it and I just put the little plastic sleeves back on and didn't put a hose clamp. So now she's got a hose clamp. And I got the water alpha filters. Check out all the stuff I found digging for that little thing. Cool. This thing needs a bath. It was so pretty before I put it in the backyard. Let's try her out. Felt really good before, so I'm glad it was something simple and not another major issue. Hopefully this superview is really good, or I'm going to be mad watching this later. All right. Sorry, Ski, for the water ingestion. See how everything looks inside. Outstanding. All right guys, that's gonna do it for this video. We got it back home. I think this thing is ready to sell. I would feel 100% confident, you know, letting this go to someone. The motor's extremely healthy. Now we just gotta work out a price. So my GoPro's fixed, so we're gonna start pumping out the videos. Got some really good stuff coming. Like we got the risky nozzle on the blaster, and then of course we have to take out the 97 Superjet on a first ride. I've had some issues, but the thing's a beast. We're gonna get it on the water. Yeah, stay tuned guys.